This video is for Prime Air Group. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. So just to make sure you have on your homepage more than 1500 words, because Google loves content. Also use the correct keywords and pictures the saves in the right way. The second thing I want to talk about is a citation. So if you come here, we can see the Google guaranteed ads. Then we see the ads here that we used to see already, but now it's 50-50 because a lot of people in 2020 have ad blockers, so some of them see, some not. And then here we have map pack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and serves with their, would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on this map here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop whatever your competition has. You want to get what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation, and last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. You see like Yelp, the expertise, then we see the home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that they're taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there's a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other websites. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link and you did some work for them and you did a good job and they sent you a link, but their whole website's all about the ice cream shops and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools here, I have, it's called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of those companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. And as I see here, you have 4 referring domains that brings you 9 backlinks, and you are getting found for 7 keywords. That brings you 0 traffic. So just to have a picture, let's see your competitors, and you see them here. They have 826 referring domains. That gives them more than 4,200 backlinks, which is getting them found more than 7,000 keywords. And out of those keywords, they're getting more than 18,000 people on average on their site each month. So that's to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it. That's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and you have a great day.